Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple honey oat bread. To get started, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to the mixing bowl, along with 1½ teaspoons of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, 3/4 cups of oats, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1½ cups of warmed milk. Using the dough hook attachment, mix on medium speed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Then mix for another 5 to 10 minutes until you get a soft, elastic dough. Spray a bowl with cooking spray and add the dough and cover. Let rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once doubled, take the dough out onto a clean surface and knead to let the air out. Then shape the dough into one loaf shape. Spray a loaf pan with cooking spray and add the dough. Press in the dough to make sure it's touching all 4 corners. Cover and let rise for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. For the topping, warm up 1 tablespoon of honey in the microwave for a few seconds so it's easy to spread. Using a pastry brush, gently spread the honey over the top of the loaf. Then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of oats on top. Now bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until browned. And that's it! When the pan is cool enough to handle, take the bread out to cool completely. Slice and add your favorite toppings or use for sandwiches. As you can see, this bread is so soft. The butter and honey combo tastes amazing. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!